Hey there friends, this is Valor. Today I'll show you how to fix the sync error with Ubisoft Connect. First off, try fully closing the launcher and the game. It might still be minimized right here. So right click and close it. Alright, next open it as an administrator. Click yes, and try launching the game again to check if it works. If that doesn't help, do the same thing again. But this time go into Profile, then Settings, and turn off Cloud Synchronization. Then click Close, Close, and close it here, then run it again as an administrator. Alright, and see if it works. If these two steps didn't work for you, it's most likely a problem with Ubisoft's servers, or your internet provider might be blocking the connection. Alright. Also, check your VPN. If it's on, turn it off. If it's off, turn it on. Alright, that's all. Samble Velour. Goodbye, everyone.